Blizwheel is the world's most portable personal electric vehicle. It's the smallest and smartest way to get around in style. Labfresh is the world's most advanced t-shirt that's made for an active life, that's made with 100% premium cotton. It's stain repellent and antibacterial. Leafxpro is a bicycle umbrella that protects you from bad weather conditions. With its modular kit that can be adjusted to any degree depending on the weather. It also has baby accessories that provides protection to children transported in their baby seats. The Airwheel SE3S is a smart riding electric suitcase that can go up to 8 miles an hour. With its lightweight, it can easily convert from motor to pull-behind use. It comes with dual USB charging ports for your electronics. City Glider are shoes that makes your walking experience more enjoyable by extending your stride in walking distance. Thanks to the pneumatic mechanical system within the footwear, City Glider uses the force spent from your heel strike and uses it to propel the user forward by up to 12%.